Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem with a SQL query that involves fetching the 10 most recent posts with their timestamps from a table. The issue lies in the query iterating over all rows, even though it could stop early due to the index's sort order. This causes unnecessary reads and impacts performance. Let's explore a solution to optimize this process. In the provided solution, a complex query with a subquery and join is used to filter the top 10 unique post IDs efficiently. By ordering the subquery and implementing a top blocker, only the necessary rows are read, significantly reducing the workload. However, this method involves multiple steps and might not be the most straightforward approach. Now, let's take a closer look at an alternative approach using a recursive CTE to simulate skip scanning, a technique not supported in SQL Server. The recursive CTE efficiently navigates through the index to find the desired post IDs without unnecessary iterations. By using a custom function to handle the top clause, the query is optimized for performance and readability. Continuing with the solution, the recursive CTE is extended to incorporate the custom function, enhancing the query's efficiency further. By leveraging the function to hide the top operation within the CTE, the query streamlines the process of fetching the top 10 recent posts with their timestamps. In summary, we've explored two efficient solutions to optimize a SQL query's performance in fetching the most recent posts. While the initial approach involves some complexity, the alternative method with a recursive CTE and custom function offers a more streamlined and effective solution. Remember, efficiency is key in database operations. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knew SQL queries could be so exciting, right?